In order to find a p-value in the calculator for a hypothesis test of the mean, we use the function ttest, which is located under the Stat menu. Slide over till you see tests. For me, it's the second item down, and it should be similar on your calculator as well. Press enter, and there are two different ways that the program can work, either through data. So if you have a set of data, that's what you would use. Oftentimes, you'll just have the statistics of the data to work with. So it requires some different inputs. Mu sub 0, this is the mean that is provided in the null hypothesis. In this case, that is 30 for the example that we are working here. For the sample mean, that was given in the problem as 28.2. The standard deviation, it's a sample standard deviation, notice that. It was given as 4.7. The sample size was 35. And this last input is what symbol is used in the alternative hypothesis, because that defines the type of test and affects how the calculation of its probability comes out, if it's a left-tailed test, right-tailed test, or two-tailed test. So just put the symbol that you see in the alternative, that's all it needs. Highlight calculate, press enter, and the third item down is called the p-value. So that is the probability of that the null hypothesis is true. And that's what we're looking for in step 2. Occasionally, something that might be necessary is t, which is a test statistic. And this is a z-score that's corresponding to the p-value. In case it's necessary sometime, it's good to know what that is.